Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to resize image in Excel cells. Let's get started. At first you want to add image into Excel cell. At first resize any cell. Now I am insert image into this cell. Select the cell and go to the insert menu. Select shape drop down menu, choose the rectangle. Then draw the rectangle, press and hold the Alt on our keyboard. Then select the rectangle and go to the shape format menu. Choose the shape outline, select no outline. Select the shape fill and choose picture fill. Then select the work of line option and choose image from your file and click insert. Now we can see we insert image into Excel cell. Now you want to resize the image, you can resize this image manually, otherwise resize the cell and automatically the image is resized. Now we can see we resize image in Excel cell easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.